This video will show you how to install and configure your Untitled or Mini-Mullion reader. These are the tools you will need for this installation. Separate the case from the base plate of the reader. Using the base plate as a guide, mark and drill holes for mounting the reader. Ensure the hole for the quick connect harness will have adequate clearance. Ensure all power is off prior to connecting any wires. Connect the power in and ground wires from the quick connect harness to your power supply. The power supply for your reader must be UL listed. This chart, found in the installation guide, can be used to determine power requirements for your reader. Connect the green and white card reader data wires from the quick connect harness to your controller. Optional wires, such as the LED and beeper, should also be connected at this time. If your controller uses RS-485 for the connection, use the pink and tan wires to connect to your controller. To ensure proper wiring connections, consult the user guide for your specific access controller. Route the reader cable through the hole in the center of the base plate. Connect the quick connect harness to the reader case, ensuring proper orientation of the connector. Install the case using the 2 screws. Place the cover over the case from the top and secure on the bottom with the screw. Be careful not to over-tighten. Power on the reader and observe the LEDs during startup. The LED will light and the beeper will sound when startup is complete. Complete the setup by testing a valid card with your reader and access control system. For assistance, contact customer care at 877-671-7011.